Ladies and gentlemen, she said we're giving a gift of 500,000 naira cash. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy Sunday, thank you. Thank you. The Bishop's family, please, thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Daddy Ophir, please get ready. After our last school. Ogo Bishop's school, please stand down. Thank you. Wait, I need you to move. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.